Okay, can you see that? So there is this onions and peppers that I've just put, as you know, you can notice. Oh, don't go too wide, don't go too wide. Okay, right, there it is cooking. Onions, just onions and green onions and regular onions and peppers, and I'll just let that simmer. So it's ready, and I'm going to add some water to it because it's now ready. It's cooked now, you can see, nice. And I can smell that very strong palm oil smell. The reason I do this is because, especially, this is not the Cameroonian palm oil. The Cameroonian palm oil is really nice. I love it. Palm oil, or palm oil, I'm not sure how it's called anymore. Long time. So that one is very nice. When you, maybe because we're used to it. This is from different parts of Africa, and sometimes they do have a smell to it. So you take out that smell, the overpowering smell. So I'm going to add some water to it, and that is going to cause the create the. I'll add water some more. Okie dokie. And I'll let that steam cook for a little bit. Then I shall add the okra. Where is it? It's somewhere over there. Okay, and then when the okra is halfway cooked, then I'll add the turkey that is here ready to go, and I will add some of the flavor to the okra, and then I'll just squash maybe one pepper, bell pepper, or hot scotch bonnet, something like that pepper. Okay, so that's it. I'll show you again when it's totally finished cooking.